come to Nessie for our food, we'll come for a meal sometimes.
There they are.
Hubert! Hubert! Yeah, boy!
I can't see it, can you? Let me glasses on.
There they are, coming down.
Oh.
Hubert! Come on now! Come on, boy! Come on! Come on, where's my boy? Good.
There's so many. The galloping.
Where's my boy? Where's my good boy? Oh, my boy! Come on, darling. Come on, my lad. Where's my good boy?
Oh, how cute are they?
Oh, where's my boy? Is that lovely? There's Mrs. H.
Don't they look like the
There's his wife. Oh, Hubert, let her have one. You're a greedy bugger. There's his son. Isn't he gorgeous? Come on then, you haven't come to take photographs and come to feed him.
Look at his. Well, I'm just scared to
No,
feed
no,
him.
he doesn't bite you. Just hold it in his mouth, look. Come down here. There's Mrs. H, his wife. She likes food.
Yeah, no, I'm scared of him.
Oh, no, look, look at this.
I don't like that.
Uh-huh.
Oh, how did he eat this so quick?
There's all the babies, look.